Have you ever bought a sleek new phone, only to realize your old case looks cheap? Then you get a new case, then matching earbuds, then a wireless charger, and suddenly, one smart purchase turns into a $500 spending spree. Welcome to the Diderot Effect. If you've been there, hit like and subscribe, because you're not alone. The Diderot Effect is named after Denis Diderot, an 18th century French philosopher. He lived modestly, until one day he was gifted a luxurious scarlet robe. At first he loved it. It was elegant, refined. But then, the robe didn't match anything else he owned. His old desk looked dull. His chair felt cheap. His rug was suddenly an eyesore. So what did he do? He upgraded everything to match the robe. New furniture, new decor, new spending habits. And before he knew it, the man who once lived simply was caught in a spiral of consumption, all triggered by one free gift. That, right there, is the Diderot effect in action. One new item makes everything else feel out of place. Let's bring it to today. You buy a new gaming chair. Suddenly your desk looks outdated, so you upgrade that too. Now your old headset feels out of sync, so you replace that. And if you're already upgrading, why not throw in a new mic, mouse pad, RGB light strip? It happens in other ways too. Buy a new iPhone, need a new case, buy AirPods, grab a MagSafe wallet, upgrade your charging dock. None of these are broken, but now they feel outdated. Why? Because they don't fit the aesthetic of the new thing. Or say you move into a modern apartment, you get a stylish couch, but now your old coffee table looks cheap. Your rug clashes, your lamp feels clunky, so you upgrade it all. Not out of need, but out of visual mismatch. And brands know this. They design for it. Apple doesn't just sell phones. They sell a lifestyle, where each product links perfectly with the next. Samsung, Logitech, IKEA, they build ecosystems, not just individual items. They want that first purchase to spark the second, third, and fifth. That's why showrooms are styled down to the plant and the coffee mug. They're not selling a desk. They're selling a vision of who you'll become when you own it. There's nothing wrong with upgrading your life. Better tools, better comfort. They all have value. But the Diderot effect asks a deeper question. Are you buying what you need or chasing a feeling? Because this isn't just about spending money. It's about the illusion that one upgrade requires another. That to match the image in your head or on your feed, you have to keep upgrading, keep consuming. It's a trap that disguises itself as self-improvement. You tell yourself you're leveling up. But are you really? Think about it. Was your old headset broken? Was your desk unusable? Or did they just feel less next to the new? Every purchase shifts your baseline, and the more you shift it, the more you feel behind. So next time you find yourself adding 5 matching items to your cart because of one new product, pause, take a breath, ask yourself, is this for function or for the fantasy of a better version of you? Have you ever bought one thing and accidentally started redesigning your whole space? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your story. And if this helped shift your mindset, give it a like and share it with a friend. Because sometimes the smartest decision is to remember that you were fine before the robe. The most powerful purchase is the one you don't feel pressured to make.